How to manifest love. Today I'm going to be giving you one of the reality transurfing approaches. And what's great about this approach is that it works and it focuses on the controllable aspects, not the uncontrollable aspects. So, there's always parts of the process, especially with something like relationships and like attracting people into our lives, that we can control, and then certain aspects that we can't control. Today, we're going to be focusing on what you can do, the best position you can place yourself in so that you are naturally attracting higher quality people and you are attracting the love that you seek. Okay? So let's get right into it. Number one, actually, before we even get to the actual steps, here's what you have to just first do. Get really clear on what it is that you want from another person. You have to make it clear to yourself, consciously clear to yourself. So even maybe write it down. What is it that you are looking for? What qualities are you looking for in a particular person? What values are you looking for in a particular person? What character traits are you looking for in a particular person? Until all of this stuff is clear, you're going to be attracting more of a sporadic, random assortment of people into your life. A person who does not know exactly what they want attracts a bunch of randomness. But a person who has a precise image of what they want naturally comes across more of that energy. Because you've taken the time to hone down what you value in your life, what you desire in your life. And because of that, you start to attract an energetic match to that which you desire. Now, once you have all of the things written down that you are looking for in another person, the trick is you have to start to embody all of these traits right now. Not like this moment, but start doing it from today. Today onwards, you are going to do your best to embody these traits. Don't worry, we haven't even gotten to the actual steps yet for the reality transurfing process, but I'm saying this is a preliminary step. If you want to manifest love from an actual quality person that you really want to be with, you have to see exactly what you want and then become an energetic match to it by embodying those qualities. So if you want someone that's loving, that respects other people, respects you, that is loyal, start to embody all of those traits in all of your other relationships right now. Not even necessarily romantic relationships, but just anything. Start embodying those characteristics in your day-to-day life, at work, at home, anywhere. See, a lot of people are focused on what they want to see, but they are not focused on becoming what they want to see, being what they want to experience. So this is where you create that energetic resonance. If you want to attract a person like that into your life, you have to first become that person. There is no other way. You will always attract what you are a vibrational match to. So if you want to start attracting better people, more loving people, you yourself have to become more loving unconditionally. You can no longer say that, okay, once I receive this love from outside, then I will be more loving. Once I receive this respect from outside, then I will be more respectful. You have to start seeing what the qualities that you desire, and you have to start embodying them right here in the now. This becomes the foundation upon which you do the next 3 steps, okay? So the first step is you actually have to reduce the importance of wanting to attract love into your life. And this is the paradoxical nature of life. Have you ever noticed the people who are having the hardest time with finding a relationship are the people who want it the most? And this is a thing that feeds into each other. You wanting it so badly actually energetically pushes it away from you. And because it pushes it away from you, you want it even more. And because the time goes on and you still don't get it, you want it even more and more and more, but it just pushes it away from you. And even when you do come across it, now let's just say you do come across a relationship, now you're in such a needy energy, you're in such like a bad place energetically that you're going to attract a person that's not of as high quality as you want. So this is a loop that can really end up in a negative scenario. You do not want that. You want to just initially start this approach of manifesting love in your life by doing the opposite. Reality Transurfing proposes to actually reduce the importance of wanting to manifest love. Stop desiring love from the outside. Start to love yourself. And I know this has become a cliche thing to say nowadays, but this is not self-love like, eating yourself stupid and taking yourself to the movies. That's not self-love. Self-love is truly starting to feel good about yourself. Self-love is feeling good about yourself by yourself, enjoying your own company, allowing yourself to be by yourself and still not feeling any sort of lack or limitation or loneliness. And this is a state that you can get to. You have to start to face yourself. A lot of people run away from being alone is because when they're alone, a lot of their own emotional stuff comes up and they can't handle it. And so they constantly try to seek love from outside because being alone is uncomfortable. Because when they're alone, everything comes up and all their insecurities, all their loneliness comes up. And so they try to constantly cover that up. Now, when they won't be in a relationship, they'll cover it up with being with friends all the time. Only when you are comfortable being alone by yourself, enjoying your own company, actually looking to build yourself, actually enjoying the process of being single and being just by yourself, and actually starting to feel that love for yourself where you value your own virtues, your own shortcomings. You see the value in yourself. You're no longer judging yourself because you're not experiencing a relationship or like something else in your life. That is when true self-love starts to happen. So you have to start to reduce the importance of wanting to seek love from outside and create importance around loving yourself. Like, treat yourself well. How is your relationship with yourself? What are the kind of thoughts that you have about yourself? What do you believe to be true about yourself? How do you think of yourself when you look in the mirror? What do you think of your own qualities? What do you think of yourself in relationship to the world? You have to get clear about all of these, and you can just really write down all of your answers that come up when you ask yourself these questions on a piece of paper that I just asked. These are very important. You have to confront these about yourself. You have to feel fully comfortable being alone and just being able to face yourself and love yourself regardless of where you are in life, what you have, what you don't have. Here's the thing. A person who does not love themselves is a natural kind of a needy energy. And this needy energy is very repelling because the person that does not love themselves is constantly seeking love from outside, is constantly seeking approval from outside. And this is a very needy energy. This repels. And that's why people like that experience even more difficulty in attracting a relationship. They're the ones constantly chasing it, forcing it, making it happen, which creates more dysfunction. But once you start to feel comfortable with yourself, you start to love yourself, you start to be okay by yourself. Now, this is a very loving energy. This attracts without you having to force relationships into your life, force love into your life from the outside. This naturally starts to attract people who are of a similar energetic resonance. This goes a long way. Start to practice it. Now, number 2, yes, you are reducing the importance on attracting love from the outside, right? But at the same time, okay, you want a relationship, you want love, you want to like spend time with a person. So this is where you use the power of your awareness to imagine a reality in which you are in a loving relationship, in which you are experiencing that self-love and love from the outside. And it's just amazing. Allow yourself to experience that reality right here in the now through the process of visualization. And what visualization will allow you to do, and you can imagine just like a abstract personality, right? Like faceless, and you're just like doing the things that you would be doing if you were in that relationship. You were going, on vacation, you were doing all these things, whatever you'd be doing, whatever really brings you joy. But visualize yourself, feeling love, loving another person, having an amazing time, growing. Do all that visualization where that relationship is already an actual part of your life, an ordinary part of your life. And allow yourself to experience that. What this visualization will do is it will divert the flow of life events from here on out towards your goal of wanting to be in that reality. So now, literally, events will start to manifest in your life that will get you to your desired goal, to your visualization. Visualization is very powerful in this manner. And now, step number 3. Use this current phase of yours, current single phase of yours, to build yourself up and to become a better you. If you want to attract better people, if you want to attract love, which is a very high frequency energy, get yourself out of a low vibration state. Start to work on yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Raise your frequency in every single one of these areas. So spiritually, start to meditate every single day. This is like a reality hack, especially with like self-love. You can never truly love yourself if you don't appreciate being in silence with yourself. And there's so much we can talk about that, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to end it at that. Meditate for at least 15 minutes a day, and you will start seeing that naturally your anxiety, your fears, your lack of worthiness issues, all these things just start to melt away naturally. Okay? 2, emotionally. Start to actually face your emotions. Rather than being reactive, ask yourself, why am I feeling this way? What am I believing to be true about myself or reality in this moment that is causing me to feel this way? Face your emotions and control them rather than being controlled by them. Stop reacting and start responding to life. Start being aware of life. Okay? Now, physically, you want to actually start to get yourself out of a low vibration state easily through exercise. Are you exercising every single day? Are you just like laying on a couch in a dense low vibration state and just wanting love? Again, love is a very high frequency vibration. So do what you can, move in some way that you can every single day. It could be little exercise or it could be really like strenuous activity. Doesn't matter what it is. Move the cells in your body every single day. Get that energy flowing. Okay, and lastly, mentally. Build yourself up mentally. Read some books, attend some seminars. Whatever interests you, take some courses on it. Start to really create a goal in life and start to move towards it. This elevates your vibration like nothing else. This ignites the creator spark that is within you. Really get passionate about something so that you are moving towards a goal. Center your life around a goal, not a person, not attracting love. Okay, that's the thing where we're trying to get to with this. Attracting love should no longer be a goal in your life. It's just something that will happen naturally. As you go along this journey, the people that you need at that particular time in your life will naturally find you. That should not be a goal of yours. But when you center your life around a goal, this just naturally happens. So work on yourself in every single area. Elevate your vibration. And now with all these steps covered, start placing yourself in situations where you are around more people. How many people do you know that like want to meet more people, yet like they just stay in all day, every day? And there's nothing wrong with that at all. I myself, like I stay at home so much because I'm constantly working and I'm constantly working towards my goal. However, if it's like one of your intentions right now to be in a relationship, right? You want to attract that and you want to explore that part of life. Place yourself in more situations where you are getting to meet more people, where you are socializing with more people. And it could even be on like social apps, right? Not just like the obvious of Facebook, Instagram, but actual dating apps. And again, make sure that that's not again in like a forcing type of energy, because again, we're reducing the importance of attracting love from the outside, or like seeking love in the outside world. We're getting into a good state first, and then we're placing ourselves in a situation where we can meet people, where we make it easier for the universe to flow the people that we need into our lives. Okay, once you are taking all these steps to build yourself up energetically, and then you're placing yourself in the right places, naturally you will experience that you will manifest love. It's not that difficult. That, my friend, is the reality transurfing approach on how to manifest love into your life, okay? Easily and effortlessly. If you found this approach helpful, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any confusion about it, let me know in the comment section below, okay? I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. But if you want to learn more reality transurfing, if you want my free reality transurfing cheat sheet, I'm giving that away for completely free on my channel right now to 2 people per week. All you have to do is, again, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below the phrase, I am. All right? But other than that, subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video.